Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the email address here in Evernote. Let's begin. Now before you can change the email address in Evernote, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. To change the email address associated with your Evernote account, be it the online version, the desktop version, and even the mobile version, you just have to follow these simple steps. All right. So if you're using the mobile app, it doesn't matter if you're using the iOS or an Android user, you just have to tap your profile icon. Where can you find it? Go to the home page. On the top left corner, there should be a profile icon, and click on it. There is an option that says settings. Now you just hover down below where you can find the more settings where it says languages, close account, and change email. I want you to click on it. Now what will happen is you have an option here at the very bottom where it says manage email address and the email notes too. So we will deal with that later. But for now, let's click the manage email address and we will be forwarded to a separate window wherein from here we have the capability to change the email address here. All right, if I want to change the email, for example, I need to change the password first. All right, so change email, confirm password first. Let's say I'm gonna be using my domain right here. Confirm the password. All right, and then click the I'm not a robot and click the change email, and that should be the easiest way for you to change the email here in Evernote. Now there is this option that says email notes to. If you click that, you would be forwarded to a new separate window wherein you see you can change that to a different email address as well. All right, so we're going to have a separate video for that. If we hover back here at the bottom, there is kind of like an option that says reset wherein you can change from a default, but we're going to have a separate video for that. All right, so but if in case you're having problems changing your email address here on Evernote, you might want to go to the help section. How? Go to the profile icon again, because sometimes it happens if you're experiencing like a bug or a glitch or issues with your account. Click submit a support request, because it happened to me in the past as well. Go to the login issues. All right, now here at the bottom, all right, so go to the account type, which is it gonna be a free, doesn't matter, but for now we're gonna choose this one. Yes, and you might want to put in the email address here, right? Okay, so I'm seeing an error message. How did you log in? And that's gonna be your email. All right, so changing email, and put in the email address that is linked to your account. All right, subject is changing email, and of course from here you can put in as much as details as you want. Having issues changing email to account. All right, and of course you can put in a file if you want. And then when you click the submit button, one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you're encountering any problems changing your email address on your Evernote account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.